If you are a small business owner, you can find it hard to make videos because of the equipment, the setup, background, editing, and etc. And I can understand it. In this video, I will show you how you can do it with just a smartphone, a tripod, a basic room, and some help with AI. Now, I usually make talking head videos or tutorials. Perhaps in the near future, I'll show you how to make product videos. The first thing to do is to decide where you want to record your video. I'm just using a home office and showing you things that are usually out of frame in my other videos. As you can see, the bookshelf and the desk is a bit untidy, but we will let AI take care of that a little later. Once you've decided where you want to sit or stand, set up your camera and hit record. If you are recording for the first time, I suggest that you do the same and do a short test clip. Next, I import the recorded clip into Filmora and drag it onto the timeline. Next, I select a selection of the clip where I'm not in the frame to make a snapshot. We will use this snapshot in Adobe Firefly. Next, we will go into Adobe Firefly and scroll down to look for Generative Fill. Drag or upload the snapshot you took into Adobe Firefly. First, I'll just mark the original untidy desk. Then I'll type in what I want to replace it with. A nice mahogany table, and give it a few seconds. Let's choose this table. Next, I'll do the same for the bookshelf and the door as well. Within a few minutes, I've turned my humble office into an upgraded office that I won't be shy to show the world. Once that's done, I'll download the photo of my AI upgraded office. I'll import the photo into Filmora. Next, drag the photo onto the timeline below the first video clip. I'll lengthen it for the duration of the top clip. Then go to Effects and look for AI Human Segmentation. I'll drag the effect to the top clip. You can see that it needs some adjustment. Double click on the clip. I'll use the sliders to adjust it so that my whole body shows up. As you can see, certain sections towards my knee it isn't done so well. Next, I just split and delete the front section that I don't need. And since my room is a little bit dark, I'll adjust the colors of the top clip and the image of the upgraded office slightly. And now I have a talking head video in a nice office settings. Now you can also remove objects that get in the way outdoors as well. So if you want to make videos outdoors, you can do the same. I hope that this video has helped you. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up. Do give it a try for yourself and do not be afraid to make videos for your business. I look forward to see you in the next video.